Hello dear, so today we are going to start Ardhanareeshwara in Kerala mural style. So before that, take your paper, keep it in portrait mode and mark the reference lines. So this time we are making one vertical line through the middle and two horizontal lines, making the sections into three equal parts. Okay, so that we will draw head for the first section, the upper body for the second section, and the lower body for the third section. Like that way we are making. So accordingly you can take a big sheet of paper also to make the picture even bigger and beautiful, or any size according to your comfort. Okay, so make the sections this way, and we will initially mark the rough lines and rough figures, so it will be easy for us to determine how big our picture is. So accordingly we can slowly improvise and make it better. Okay, so initially I will start the head by a tilted oval shape, and then I will mark some vertical and horizontal rough lines, easy rough lines for you to mark the body. So follow that way and make it perfect. This way we will mark the oval shape for the head and two short lines for the neck, and then one slanting line for the shoulder, and all these slanting lines for the proportions of the body. Okay, so just this way, just mark very lightly and just see if the position and the proportions are proper. Just see yourself and then continue. Now we will focus on the head part. Okay, so that oval shape we are going to erase that line, so make it light. If you have made it light, no need to correct anything. Okay, so just now I will be restructuring the face shape, so you can follow along your oval shape almost from this part. Okay, and there will be a slight dip where the eye portion will come, so maybe you can also mark like the eyes, nose, lip position initially, and then where the eye line came over there, a sharp or short dip will make it better, and then a light cheek, and then we will mark the chin also. See this way, and I'm extending this center part of the line till the upper body. Why? Because we are drawing Ardhanarishwara, so that clear separation is needed. So we are just making that line till the lower part of the upper body. So what we say is, yeah, you can notice the forehead, the cheek and all separately. So now we are keeping our face straight towards us and just marking the eye, the nose and the mouth lines. Okay, so we are just marking, and each time you just have a look yourself to see if everything came out properly, and then add the detailings. So after that much, let's start doing the eyes properly. So the eye line we already done. So mark two straight line. It should be straight. Okay. So it should be slanting as well, but it should be straight, not curvy. Okay. Don't make the eyes curvy line like humans. Make it exactly straight. And like this way, mark this, and on the upper curve, mark the curves properly. Then we will mark the eyebrows. Eyebrows should be perfect curve, not like humans again. It should be like perfect curve, and see the gap between eye and eyebrow. Leave that gaps also, and in between we have to add the eyelid line also. So just do it all properly, slowly, slowly. Okay, now let's focus on the lips. So for the lips, you need to mark a wavy line from the center like this and finish it like a dot. And same over here also, but it should not be too curvy. Okay, so here I'm making it too curvy, so I will correct it. Make it little bit flat only. and then one single curve for the lower lip, and then a double wavy line for the upper lip. So make it very beautiful and proper. Reverse as many times you want and make it so nice, and always have a look, it should be in the center of the face, and also make sure the lips are proper and the entire image also looks happy. So be make sure to do it as many times as you want until you are satisfied. So draw lightly, or else each time when we erase, the marks remains and will make a mess. So draw lightly until you are convinced. Okay, dear. So as of now, as the last thing, we missed to record it, but we have added the gopi or the mark on the forehead or the tilak, whatever you call. Okay, so at the center, we will start with a dot, and on the left side for Parvati Devi, we will be marking it in the gopi shape, or you can do like the water drop shape. And on the right side for Shiva, you have to do it in the shape like a third eye, and three or four curvy lines this way for the for that basmam or whatever you call. Okay, so that's it. We will continue next class.